Hi guys, good afternoon. So we are here now at the Headlands Preserve, located here at California Highway 1. So we're going to do the trail today, going to the sky or going to the top of the mountain as far as we can. The area has a 5,630 acre with the overlooking of Russian River and also the Pacific Ocean. So let's go and do the trail with this spectacular view. As you can see on the right side, this is the office wherein they provided the trail map and field guide, so you can grab your brochure and ready to go. And also there are some details and information, they write it here. And on your left side, that is where the donation, they provided the code if you wanna donate through mobile app, or you can put a cash provided in that area if you wanna donate something. During our visit, it's super windy right now. As you can see, it is required or recommended that you have to wear a light jacket, although it's super hot, but it is windy, so it kind of balanced the weather, hot and cold, so it is a perfect weather. And as you can see here, that is their bathroom, and I was surprised that the bathroom is clean, so I was hesitate using it, but when I get inside, it's clean and sanitized. You can smell it, so it's a plus for this place. I don't expect that clean, that I don't expect that cleanliness, so it's good. So now we are going to see to the sky trail, so which is on your left side. So let's go and see what this place has to offer and see the overlooking view at the top. So here is the story why we end up in this area, actually from Ocean Cove, where we do the boondocking camping. We plan to stop by here at Headlands, but the thing is, we passed by already, and it is hard for hubby to make a sharp turn to park on the other side, since we are on our rig and it's a little bit bigger. So we passed by already, and he said, I'm sorry, we can't make it. Actually, there is a provided parking on the highway 1, but it is a rough road and pebbles, and it is a little bit deep, so he is kind of worried if we park our Class C RV on that side, so he don't feel comfortable. So we drive all the way, and then he said, I'm sorry, we can't make it. And I was like, it's okay, maybe next time. And then for some reason he changed his mind, and when he find a spot where he can make U-turn, so he do the U-turn, and then we drive back going to the Headlands parking spot. And I was kind of worried too, because our RV is like 25.5 feet, and of course it is not totally fit on the parking spot. But during this time, it is weekday, there is not much people in this area, so we find a spot on the bottom part of the parking lot, and then it's just perfect. Our RV is just perfect in there, wherein car can pass through on the back of our RV, so it is a plus. So that's the story why we came up here. And of course, on our trail, I bring some sweet for this kid, for her sweet tooth, and make her hyper sometimes, so it's kind of a trick to make her keep going. So that's the story how we end up here. And by the way, I turned off the video audio here because it's super windy, and the audio quality is not good because of too much wind, so it's kind of not pleasant to the ears. So instead I make the voiceover through this video. And yeah, let's keep going and enjoy the view. Oh my god, look at the view. Hi. Now that we are getting closer to where we supposed to go, actually it's super windy. My hat was blown away because it is super windy here. But look at that view. It's super nice, very relaxing. Looking at that overlooking view with the Pacific Ocean and the Highway 1 road, and then the Russian River. You can see it up here. Just wow, it is really amazing and spectacular view here. So it is a must-see place, but you have to be very careful with all your stuff because it is super windy here. As you can see, look at my heavy jacket. It is really windy, and I feel like I'm out of balance because it is super strong wind in here. So I just stay just a few seconds in this spot, and I need to go down to gain my balance. Like I said, because of the strong wind, it make you I feel not stable with where I am. As you can see, look at that wind, but look at that view. It is really worth it. It is super nice, and I really love the overlooking view here. It is perfect and just wow. I'm glad hubby make a U-turn, and then we managed to see this spectacular view. Wow. From here, there's still more trail going to the Pole Mountain summit, which is 6.9 miles. So we don't do the trail. Instead, we are heading back to our parking. So we are ready to go home. Now that we are going back to our parking and ready to go home, actually, if I wish we do have a time because it is already 1 p.m. now and it take us 5 hours drive before we arrive home. So if we do the trail or do more farther, which is 6.9 miles going to the Pole Mountain Summit, we can make it on time going home because it depends on the traffic. It may take longer than 5 hours going home, so that's why we decided to go back. I mean, I wish we have a time to explore the more beauty of this trail, but maybe next time when we come back here we're gonna go more farther. But still we are so happy and satisfied with our trail going here because you won't mind how far it is actually because of the view. I mean, it is really nice. It keeps you going. It makes you feel satisfied and motivated because of the view. So I don't mind walking even if it is the whole day because of this view. I mean, I really love this hike. All of us love this hike. So yeah, we really had fun and enjoy our day here. So I hope you like the video and please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. And if you have been here in this area, please comment down below and share your experience when you do the trail here. Bye bye and have a great day. Stay safe.